Hey folks, so I wanted to quickly kind of address some of the projector issues and do a quick review. So to project wirelessly, you want to go over here to the kind of chat box in the bottom right hand corner, and you want to make sure that you click project, not connect. So when you go to project, it'll ask you, what do you want to tell the projector to do? And you want to click on duplicate. We're having some issues with extend, so I would pick duplicate and then connect to a wireless display, and then find the projector that you want to connect to, and it will connect. Lastly, before you leave the room, you want to make sure that you disconnect so that another teacher can come in and connect to that projector. So to find that from your Windows, just your desktop, is you go back to that chat box, you go to connect, and it shows you all the connections that you have, and you hit disconnect. Others are having problems with the projector kind of disconnecting from the computer throughout like a lecture or something like that. There's a couple things that might be causing that. First being that there's a setting in PowerPoint that changes your display settings when you are using the presentation tool. So to change that setting, you go to PowerPoint, just click on get one of your PowerPoints loaded, and then go over to File and go down to Options and Advanced, and you scroll down to where it says Display, and all of you will have this box checked, and you want to uncheck that box because that is what's causing it to automatically extend the display when presenting on this laptop, and then hit OK. The last thing you might want to do is change your power settings so that when your computer falls asleep, it doesn't disconnect from the projector. So to do that, you go down to the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand corner, go to the gearbox for settings, you go to System and Power and Sleep, and change your battery so when it's on battery power to having it sleep maybe 2 hours or never, and then I always just leave it as never for when it's plugged in. This should fix most of your projector problems. If you have any other issues, please email me or Tracy.